This is the 18 points of Charter of Demands, MQM demands, fundamental and constitutional rights for Mohajirs. These are 18 points of our charter. We will concentrate on it, and we want equal, proper representation in the corridors of power, in the legislative bodies, in the assemblies, in the Senate, in the National Assembly, in the Provincial Assembly, in the army, in the police, in the bureaucracy, and other walks of life according to our population ratio. So we will concentrate on these demands. And these demands are not the demands of MQM only, but these are the demands of 22 million Mohajirs.